Good morning, everyone. It's bright and early, 8 a.m. on September the 26th. Thought I'd video a little of the construction noise that goes on across from our house. They are busy running their trackhoes, bulldozers, whatever. This kind of noise has been going on since May of this year, consistently 6 days a week. Never in our wildest dreams did we think they would clear cut and totally bulldoze the area directly on the other side of that tree line down there by our county road. Let me turn this way. They're also working over here to the west. I don't know if you can see through the woods the dirt pile. I can see it. That's where the train's going to go. Now, we knew they were going to do that. But this directly to the south, this we had no idea about. This is where they're working on getting the coal loading stations set up. So basically, there's no enjoying peace and quiet during the day here. The end of our driveway is right past those trees on the left. That's a cross fence. Let me come out a little further into the yard. Maybe we can catch a video of them doing something. I've already seen something drive by on top of our pile of dirt that's supposed to be our barrier. Our sound barrier. I can tell them right now it hasn't barricaded any sound. It's a very thin line of trees over there too. It's supposed to be blocking the noise when they start up this loading station. It's ridiculous, actually. Excuse the wobbles. Wish I had a better speaker. I just want to give you a sample this morning.